Baseball.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need.
Baseball. 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 Thank you, Mother Nature, for this wonderful, wonderful baseball. What? Oh my God. Oh, my dad's here. Time to go make baseball video. Oh, where's he going? Dang it. My ride.
Hey, Joey. Joey. Water. Let's start out this video right.
Yeah, it's a thank you video. And yeah, none of you are getting thanked. Dun dun dun.
Thanks, Mother Nature.
Shazam! Thank you, Mother Nature. Yeah.
We're on a baseball field. Fine, I'll just throw it. I missed.
Thank you, Mother Nature. Look at how beautiful you are. Look at that, there's even a plane going by. Can't see it though, but you know it's there. Oh God. You know it's there. Look how beautiful you are. Look at that. Mother Nature, Mother Nature. Wowee. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Jeez, I just can't stand how beautiful it is. Mother Nature. Look at what she gave us today. She gave us nice sunlight, nice beautiful day for a nice beautiful baseball practice. And guys, what's a good day without a baseball practice? Guys, let's just take a moment and thank Mother Nature. Because without Mother Nature, we wouldn't be here. Do you want 100,000 more weeks of winter? Or do you want to play baseball on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday? And do you want to crush our opponents in nice 70-degree weather? Or do you want to lose to our opponents in 30-degree weather? Choice is up to you guys. But Mother Nature, you've always got my back. Always. Now guys, it might look like I'm joking around right now, but honestly, look at this frog. Look at it. Doesn't that make you just happy? Look at this frog. Gosh, I love this frog. If I had $1 for every beautiful frog that I came across in my lifetime, I'd have $1. Because I've only met one, and that's thanks to you, Mother Nature. Like, really. You have nice, fertile grass. You help our cows graze. And without cows, we wouldn't have hamburgers.
Hey kids, look who it is. It's your old pal Zach, number 9, from Little League with a shirt that still fits me. SLW stands for Sorry Losers Win. So if you're a sorry loser, you win. And today, I got some sliced peaches. They're nutritious, they're light, L-I-T-E, and Mother Nature always provides food. When you plant a seed, turn back on, thank you. When you plant a seed in the ground, you go like this, hammer the seed into the ground, and then you water it like this, and then take it all in. You wait 6 months, and then you go boom, right into a spike, and then you get peach juice everywhere. Guys, look at that. It's not like I'm gonna smash it anywhere or anything, because I'm not the kind of channel to do that, guys. I don't just go willy-nilly smashing things around. The can is A-okay, guys. You can still get that amazing peach juice for the price of free. For the price of free. Guys, I just want you to take a look around, and you see all these peaches? Peaches, they're awesome. If you let your dog out, your dog will run to the peaches and eat the peaches. So it works. Goes all around. So you plant the peaches, and then you spray them on the wall, and then your dog eats them, and it goes out there and goes back into the ground eventually, back up into a plant. So there's the earth cycle. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Mother Nature. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Hey, Mother Nature, thank you for your very kind offering of sweet peas. And Mother Nature's greatest can opener, it is a baseball bat. So when you can't hit it open, you gotta smash it open, if you know what I mean. So Mother Nature, this goes out to you. From everyone on the team, Mother Nature.